Hello friends, this is Chandan Kumar and you are watching the YouTube channel of Innova Institute of Mathematics, and today I am here to discuss the nature and mass distribution of question paper of session 2019-20 MSc Entrance of GGU. The question paper consists of 100 questions and each question is of 1 mark, so total marks is 100, and the time you have to solve this question is only 120 minutes. For each correct answer you will get 1 marks, and for each incorrect answer and also for non-attempted questions there is no negative marking. So let's see the analysis. From real analysis, 19 questions asked and are from the sequence and series of real number, limit, continuity, differentiability and uniform continuity of function of one variable, and also from the nature of roots of polynomial of at most 3 degree. From model algebra, 11 questions asked, 10 from group theory, 1 from ring theory. Questions of group theory are from the definitions of binary definition of binary operation, definition of group, theorems related to cyclic group, non-cyclic abelian group, and also from the properties of symmetric group SN. And the question of ring theory is totally based on the definition of ring. From linear algebra, 7 questions asked and are from the properties of eigenvalue along with their characteristic polynomial of some standard matrices, and are of type to check the operator is linear or not, to check the vectors are Li or LD, or the results related to the union and intersection of subspaces. From integral calculus, 7 questions asked and are of type to find double integral, triple integral and area. From number theory, 6 questions asked and are from the properties of congruences, LCM, SCF, tau n, phi n, and also to find the unit place digit. From differential calculus, 6 questions asked and to find the Padel equation of some standard curve, polar subnormal of curve, and also to find the radius of curvature. From Laplace transformation, 5 questions asked and are of very basic type to find Laplace and inverse Laplace. From numerical analysis, 5 questions asked and from the properties of Newton-Raphson method, Regula-Folcy method, and also from interpolation. From complex analysis, 4 questions asked and on the basis of the properties, basic properties of complex numbers, complex integration, Cauchy-Riemann equation, and also from bilinear transformation. From PDE, 4 questions asked and are of type to find similar solution, complete integral, and also identify the type of canonical form like hyperbolic, parabolic, elliptic. From metric space, 4 questions asked and all the 4 questions are on usual metric. So if you know the definition of metric and also know the topology of real number, then there is nothing to do with it. From operational research, 4 questions asked. One is from the history of operational research, other is to steps involving the solution of operational research related problem and the methods you know to solve the transportation problem, assignment problems. From vector calculus, 3 questions asked and from the properties of solenoidal, and also from comparison among gradient, divergent and curl. From statistics, 3 questions asked. One is the relationship among mean, median and mode, and other is the sum of deviation about mean. From ODE, 3 questions asked and are from initial value problem and linear differential equation. From probability, 2 questions asked and both of them are of 10th standard hardly. Trigonometry, 2 questions asked and one from de Moivre's theorem and other from the relation between degree and radian. From mechanics, 2 questions asked. One is to find the equation of common catenary in intrinsic form and other is the definition of force. From dynamics, 2 questions asked. One is to find the radial acceleration and other is to find the differential equation of central orbit. From game theory, only 1 question asked and are from the properties of 2-person zero-sum game. So it was the analysis. Actually, the question paper is of very basic level. If you know the basic definitions and their fundamental applications, then this examination is easy to crack for you. But what if you don't remember? If you don't remember, then the last date of online submission of form is 30th of May. Then admit card will be issued with the date of examination. So I hope you have at least 20 to 25 days to recall that some basic definitions and practice some related question. I also given the link of question paper in description. Download it and start your preparation, and remember that keep your preparation centered around these topics, okay? And if you still have some doubt, some query, some confusion, then you can ask me. I will definitely help you, and thank you so much for watching.